Was a good session.
Yeah.
Some interesting stuff in the app, Andrea.
Yes.
Yeah, with the inside-outside lines. It's crazy how accurate you can compare. Since the track's so slippery, your bike is still now on full power.
Yeah.
Do you think maybe that it can be easier to have a bit smoother power?
Yeah.
That it's not so slippery?
Maybe the same power, but on different ways.
Yeah,
so
a bit more smooth.
yes.
We can adjust here. Another thing is engine braking. Like since the
Yeah.
bike's so heavy and in the mud, bike's
Yes.
braking already a lot.
Yes.
So what do you think about trying a
Yeah.
little bit less engine brake?
Yeah, I
So
think,
the bike
it's
is
a good idea. I agree.
Yeah, we can choose the wet conditions. So yeah, then they recommend us to go like 2 clickers more close,
Yep.
more hard on the pressure, on the fork and on the shock. So I think it's worth to try it.
Yeah, for sure. Let's try.
All right, let's do.